Previously on Cook Like Chris.
Gotta do everything myself. Consider yourself promoted, cameraman.
Today on Cook Like Chris.
And remember, watch the focus every time, and at the same time, watch the headroom. It was way too much on the first one, okay? So just pay attention. All right? Thank you. Welcome to another special episode of Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook. I'm your host, Chris. Today's episode, we've taken it outside because it is January, and nothing says January more than barbecue. And I've got some thick center cut pork chops that are marinating as we speak. So we're going to learn how to make that marinade, and we're going to learn how to cook them over an open fire. Let's check out what we'll need for ingredients. Half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of soy sauce, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You're going to combine all your ingredients into a bowl. Then in a shallow dish, you're going to pour it over top of your pork chops. As you can see through movie magic, I've already marinating my pork chops, but I don't want to waste any food, so I pre-marinated them. But just so you know what it looks like when you drizzle, cover them and put them into your fridge for about 8 hours or overnight if you have the time. When it comes to the grilling part, first you can sear it on the high heat. Pork doesn't like high and direct heat, so after it's seared, you should move it over to a lower heat spot. Each pork chop is going to take about 5 minutes per side, give or take on how you like your meat and how thick the pork chops are. So the guys were on the grill in different positions for about 9 minutes, maybe a bit more than what it should have been, but they look amazing. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to try these bad boys out. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think I may have just done it. I don't know if you could see that, but I may have just gotten it right. Looks pretty good. I mean, I am colorblind, so hopefully it's not too pink in there. Wow. That was really good. That was probably so good that I need another taste. Wow, that's delicious. That's so good. Probably the best thing I've made so far on the show. I can't wait to finish this thing off. Thanks again for joining us on Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook. Let me know how your pork chops turned out. Mine turned out pretty damn good. If there's a recipe you'd like us to tackle here on Cook Like Chris, you can leave that in a comment down below. As always, like and subscribe, and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So until next time, see you later.